Hi, RCDOX. And how many cool things can you do with RC and build RC and fly RC? For example, look at this. This is an F-27 Stryker. It's a model of the Stryker. We got it for about $20 at our local hobby store. So it's just the airframe of a Park Zone Stryker. And here it is. Here's the wings. Here's the body of it. Here are the little important parts stuff. Wow, look at this. That you can get a symmetrical airframe for only $20. That's a good deal. The hardest thing of building your own airplanes is symmetry. Getting the plane to have the same size wing on each side so one's not medium and the other's large is pretty hard. So here's just a perfectly symmetric airplane for $20. It's a lot like these. Arctic the Tiger. This is a really awesome jet. It's very similar to the Arctic the Tiger. We really like flying this the Tiger. It's a really awesome aircraft. Someone who builds these from scratch like this is STRYKER. He's awesome at building these. He's like the most capable pilot we know on YouTube. STRYKER builds planes with this model. He once took one and he flew it upside down over a lake or a river or something and let the fins touch the water. It is an amazing demonstration of pilot skills. We don't quite know what we're going to do with this, but we're going to build it up and fly it and hope it survives. Almost everybody who has one of these puts a motor in the back for the pusher, but we don't care for the pushers. We like to pull planes with twin microjet motors up front. So we're going to stick 2 microjets on this baby and see if she can survive it. Go find out from RCDOX!
Okay. Whoa, that's good enough.